Okay, we're in the back streets of Munich, Germany, and I saw this kind of cool stuff right here. This kind of reminds me of a different time period, you know, when before cars, houses were kind of just scattered about. Kind of cool ways the streets are servicing. So we're in Old Town Munich, and what we're gonna do is just kind of stroll into the back alleys of Old Town Munich. There we go. Now we got a nice view of this. There's some churches going off over there. There's kind of a main spot. We're gonna try to meander into this a little bit and just kind of see what we can see. And then we're gonna meander over by where that church is at as well. Brad Swartzel. Going down this alley in a second. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna go towards that clock. I think the main clock is actually around the corner to the left. Yes, so actually these streets kind of have a nice feel to them. Has a kind of medieval feel. Vegan sushi. Okay, let's see. So I think that's coming from that direction. Organic garden. So we're just gonna go down this alley as well. Oh, check this out. Oh, it's pretty cool. Okay. Munich, Germany. Those bells are coming on over here. So we're gonna meander that way in a second. Let me just see here. Let's go this way. See here. We might even be going over that way. That's the bikes. It's gonna meander this way, and then we're gonna come back around to that where the church bell is going off. Okay. So I guess what we'll do, so we basically came down that alley, down that way, straight that way. Korean street food, pochang matcha. Pochang matcha is like a little, it's a street food, so Korean street food, and that's like these little tents that they have everywhere in Korea, and you can get soju and actually you can get some of these tteokbokki. Get tteokbokki, odeng, kimbap, bibimbap. I never saw Korean fried chicken in a pochang matcha, but that was from a long time ago that I used to live in Korea. Munich. Okay, so that bell, I believe, is this one, I think. So I think we're gonna get to it right from underneath here. That's a kind of cool car. Okay, so we're gonna come through here. Go to where that bell is at. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna come right to the center of it. Oh, the siren's here. A lot of tourists. Okay, so taste of Munich. Okay. So there we go. I think the main one is right there where you can see the got people everywhere.
Und der weiß-blaue, der jetzt vorübergeht.
I'd say more.
Very interesting. Okay. So everybody's here and now it looks like they're all going to start moving again, so they're all kind of frozen. I guess that maybe it's just once an hour, so maybe that's symbolic of a time. But everybody kind of just frozen there. Let's look over there. Oh, that might be construction. Those are drums. Anyways, we're here in Munich, Germany. I guess we'll end it right there. So Munich, Germany. ended on that note.
Toma cuidado la posibilidad.